How to create AI agents from scratch, or rather, why create AI agents from scratch when you could remix already created existing AI agents and put your unique spin on those. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make the most of AI agent templates and how to get the best possible results. I'm using a tool called SmithOS. What are AI agents? They are software programs that autonomously take action to achieve specific goals, often by simulating human-like decision making. Think of them as smart digital assistants, but way more capable. So in simple terms, an AI agent is like a trained virtual employee. You give it a goal, you give it access to tools or data, and you give it rules or a prompt to follow. So the difference, you could say, from a normal large language model like ChatGPT is you ask it a specific question, it gives you an answer in the form of a prompt. Whereas with AI agents, you give it a task, you give it access to tools that are needed to achieve that task, and you give it rules and prompts to follow. And throughout that process, it makes its own decisions. It doesn't need you to keep inputting information and guiding. You've preset the rules, you've given it what it needs, and it goes away and gets you the information that is required. Now, examples of use cases for AI agents: e-commerce. So you could use a TikTok product finder, for example. There's a use case for that. YouTube creator. So you could generate video scripts using AI agents. Client services. Say you are an agency or a freelancer, you could create a client onboarding agent that sends welcome emails, books Calendly calls, and adds info to your CRM to automate that process and save time. Content repurposing. You could be a content creator, you could be a freelancer, you could be an agency. You could use an AI agent or AI agents as a short form content repurposer. It basically takes long form content from video transcripts and it turns it into 3 shorts or more. Just some rough examples of what you can achieve with AI agents. I've gone to SmithOS, which is this tool that allows you to either create AI agents from scratch, or you can use some already pre-existing AI agents and either white label them, so use them as your own to sell, or you can actually use them for your own personal use cases. We're just going to stick to those as they are the simplest ways to understand how you can use them at this point. I've gone onto the home page and then I've gone down into templates. Now, as you can see, there's a ton of different templates that you can use here. On each template card, you can see an option there to remix. And this is where you click on the card and actually use that template and remix it, putting your own unique spin on it, if you will. There's different categories of agents. There's marketing, sales, developers, research, specific platforms, and so forth. I'm going to select this one here, content key phrase analyzer, and I'm going to click on remix. It's now going to load another window, and what it's actually doing is adding this agent to my workspace. So it's taking a copy of that one, putting it onto my workspace, and essentially creating a copy that's ready for me to chop and change and use as I like without messing around with the original template. There we go. Now what I can do, 2 things. I can either use the template as it is, or I can make some fundamental changes to how the template functions. Now, if I want to make some changes to how it works, I can do that with the help of the master agent here, which is Agent Weaver, that allows you to create other agents and you can chat with it and it'll walk you through the process of making whatever changes you are looking to make within the structure of that AI agent. However, for this particular video, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to focus on testing already existing agents, and all I do is go onto the top right hand side and click on test. This allows me to chat with the agent that I've selected and understand what it's able to do and get a result of what it's doing on there. Now, without wasting time with this particular one, here's ones that I have already gone through that process with. So the first one is an Amazon product finder. I have asked it, what info do you need to get me the best result? As you can see here, it's let me know that to write the best Amazon product review, it needs the product URL, that is mandatory. It needs the country, optional. It needs keyword, optional as well. And if possible, it's got some extra information there. Now, I went onto Amazon and I grabbed a link for this product right here, and I have then copied that onto here and I've let it know the information that it requires onto the chat there. I've let it know the country, and based on that, it's then gone ahead and created a full review for me of that particular product. It knows the product just based on the URL that I've submitted. In fact, it asked me there for some additional details that I want to focus on for that particular review, and I've specified and said said muscle recovery, high absorption, and for myself. And there we go. We've got what amounts to pretty much a full blog article. Moving on to the second AI agent that I have remixed. This one is a content summarizer, but more specifically, it's also a quiz generator. So again, same thing. I've gone into the template, selected remix, and I started the conversation asking it, what does it need to get me the best result? The agent replied, what exactly am I looking for? Is it a detailed summary of content for study or review, or am I looking for an interactive quiz? That's what I was interested in, an interactive quiz. So I answered and said, yeah, I'm looking for a quiz. Use case wise, you could be a YouTube content creator. For example, YouTube has a community post feature where you can use quizzes to interact with your community. This could be an idea generator for that. You can then use that as a lead magnet that you put in your description or in your profile bio, where people click on it, take this quiz, and from there they can either go to a course, paid product, consulting, whatever you've routed them to. The topic that I've selected to create the quiz around is how to make your first sale on Shopify and TikTok Shop, which asks me to paste the content that I'm looking to turn into a quiz. So I could have taken a transcript from my YouTube video, for example, pasted it in here and changed that video into a quiz to attract people to watch my video. In this case, what I've done is I've gone on to ChatGPT and I have asked it to generate some information, short little article about how to integrate TikTok Shop and Shopify and make your first sale. I've then copied this information, come back and I've pasted it here, as you can see, and just like that, it's generated a quiz asking me the first question already. So what is required when setting up a TikTok Shop account? I've not read this, so I'm just going to randomly guess while you're watching. So A, it could be personal email address, B, business and bank details, C, Shopify store with at least 10 products, a minimum of 1,000 TikTok followers. So what is required when setting up a TikTok Shop account? I am going to say B. There we go. And now it's moving on to the next question. This gives you an idea of how this is functioning. You could be a teacher, you could be a private tutor. You could set up quizzes like this where you test them and see how the learning is going. That's the content summarizer one. I also remixed the cover letter generator. Use case wise, this is for generating cover letters to accompany your CV when you are applying for jobs. You could be someone that's applying for jobs yourself using a AI agent like this via Smith OS. If you're applying for a high volume of roles, for example, this could be really helpful in speeding up that process for you. Or you could be a recruitment consultant or someone that runs a recruitment agency using a tool like this to attract more interest in your service offering by helping generate these cover letters for prospective employees. You could be a learning platform that helps people create cover letters after having learned specific skills or courses from your platform. What do you need to get me the best result? So I can get the AI agent to tell me what it needs to give me the best result there. It's telling me here my CV content, the company, job details, full name. I've got my fictional CV there and fictional persona, pasted that information, and just like that, we've got our cover letter, and all I need to do is just copy it and paste it onto my document in order to get it sent off to apply for a job within a particular company. Use these AI agents